Let's talk evolution. From a huge computer that used to fit a room to a small one which fits your palm, we have come a long way. This is the Raspberry Pi. It has limitless possibilities you can explore. I'm your mentor for this course. I have compiled 25 plus years of knowledge and experience working in the consumer electronics industry with top MNCs all across the globe for an intuitive, hands-on learning experience for you. We're stepping out of traditional classroom to give you an experience like you've never had before. This is Ed-En-Pro, the platform where your real education is enhanced. No matter who you are, if you have the zeal to learn new things, to build prototypes, this hands-on course is made for you. With us, you learn how to interface digital and analog sensors with Raspberry Pi, interface camera, getting started with IoT and send data to the cloud, learn basics of Python coding, and so much more. The best part, everything is hands-on. You'll have your own kit with all necessary components for enhanced learning experience. So let's get started. If you're looking for a new step in your career or a fun hands-on experience, enjoy the ride at Ed-En-Pro, where you can find everything you'll ever need on this journey. My name is Sandeep K. Join me in this course and become a Raspberry Pi Pro.